Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another edition of Fridays with Frank. And what are you doing this weekend? I got some tips that can help you with some productivity if you want. Thank you for joining me this morning. If you like the videos that come to you every Friday, please go to my YouTube channel and subscribe where you get these all the time. Well, obviously, I am not at home. I am up in the great Northwest. I'm visiting some dear friends up here in a place called Woodby Island, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It really is. And it's nice to get away and relax. But anyway, I'm sure everybody knows that the feds cut their rates. I really didn't think they were going to cut it by, half a point. I thought they were going to do it by a quarter. But the best thing you can do is get on the phone to all your clients now that are on the fence and saying, hey, we got another shot. How can I help you? Get in touch with your lenders. Your lenders should be calling you right now and asking what they can do for your clients. Maybe send out a video, do whatever it takes. But remember, as I talked about a couple weeks ago, you want to look for aggressive lenders that is as hungry as you are, because this is a really good time right now, and it's a great reason for you to call your clients. Hope everybody has a great weekend, and we'll see you here next Friday on Fridays with Frank.